Looking for the perfect espresso machine? We've tested 5 top models, from entry level to premium, and saved the absolute best for last. Stick around to find your ideal brew. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Kenmore Espresso Machine. This automatic coffee maker promises barista-quality espresso right at home, boasting 9 bars of pressure for excellent extraction. It's designed for home use, allowing you to whip up lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos with ease. Crafted with premium materials, it offers durability and a sleek aesthetic that complements any kitchen. What's great is its user-friendly controls, making it simple for both beginners and seasoned coffee lovers to create consistent single or double shots. Plus, it includes an integrated milk frothing capability, making it versatile for various coffee options. Kenmore also provides reliable 5-year support and warranty. While it offers a great set of features and reliable design, be sure to check current pricing and customer reviews for the most up-to-date user feedback. It's best suited for buyers who prioritize a detailed technical feature set and comprehensive support. Moving up to number 4, we have the Gaggia Classic Evo Pro. This machine stands out as a made-in-Italy espresso maker designed to brew prosumer-quality shots with 9 bars of pressure. For those who love latte art, its commercial steam wand helps texture milk into velvety microfoam. It features a heavy-duty, commercial-style 58mm stainless steel portafilter, including both commercial single and double-shot filter baskets, plus a pressurized basket for pre-ground coffee or ESE pods. The Evo Pro also boasts updated pump mounting for quieter operation and an improved boiler to resist scale buildup. It's built to last, packed with commercial features. Its pros include its reliable, quality Italian design and a great feature set. Potential cons involve checking current pricing and customer reviews. This Gaggia machine is ideal for buyers prioritizing technical details and a durable professional-grade home setup. At number 3, we have the Nespresso City's Original Espresso Machine by DeLonghi. This sleek single-serve system simplifies your morning routine with its iconic design and premium finish. Just pop in a capsule, select espresso or lungo, and enjoy a delicious cup in no time, thanks to its fast 20-25 second preheating and high-pressure pump. It's incredibly user-friendly, accommodating tall mugs with its folding cup shelf and ensuring the right amount of coffee with automatic volume control. It also features an auto-off function after 9 minutes of inactivity, saving energy. Each machine even includes a Nespresso capsule welcome kit. Its reliable design and great features are big positives. As with any product, verify the current price and check customer reviews for specific user experiences. The City Ziz is perfect for those who prioritize convenience, design, and a consistent single-serve espresso experience. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Nespresso Pixie Espresso Machine by DeLonghi. This ultra-compact machine is perfect for urban living, measuring just 11 centimeters wide, saving valuable counter space. Don't let its size fool you, it's highly efficient. The 19-bar high-performance pump extracts delicate flavors and rich crema in just 25 seconds. It offers one-touch controls for espresso and lungo, which can be custom programmed, and an energy-saving mode. It's compatible with Nespresso Original capsules and comes with a starter set. The Pixie offers reliable design and an excellent set of features. Remember to check for the latest prices and read customer reviews for current feedback. This machine is an excellent choice for buyers who prioritize technical details, compact design, and rapid brewing without compromising quality. And finally, our top pick, the Nespresso Vertuo Next Premium Coffee and Espresso Machine by Brew. This machine isn't just about espresso, it offers a wide range of coffee styles and sizes thanks to its centrifusion technology. Simply insert a Vertuo line capsule, close the lever, and the capsule spins up to 7,000 rotations per minute, perfectly blending coffee with water to create an exceptional crema. Its sleek, modern design with chromed accents fits beautifully in any kitchen. It comes with a variety pack of 30 Nespresso Vertuo line pods covering different intensities like Stormio, Audacio, and Melozio, providing 7.8 OZ servings. The Vertuo Next delivers an outstanding balance of versatility, design, and consistent quality across both coffee and espresso. While it shares the pros of reliable design and great features, its ability to offer a broader range of coffee drinks truly sets it apart. This final pick brings the strongest overall balance and versatility, making it our top recommendation for those seeking both coffee and espresso in a premium package. That completes our deep dive into the best espresso machines. Find direct links to all these products in the description below, where you can check the latest prices and availability. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed reviews.